Hello, my name is Bohmir, and thank you for watching me again. This is the second video about Kawai CA67. The first video was quite negative because I was unlucky. I bought a B-stock piece from Thomann and it wasn't good. The action was not right. It made strange sounds at the end. It was falling apart basically. So I decided to send it back, and after some time I bought the same piano again, but brand new. When I was looking for a good digital piano that would suit my needs of heavy practicing and sound and everything, I went through some shops and I tried many pianos, and at the end I was between this Kawai CA67 and Yamaha Avant-Garde N1. And maybe you ask why I didn't buy the Yamaha. The action was really good, it was fantastic to play on it, but I didn't like the sound. The sound was very electric and very computer. And the Kawai has much better sound, I would say, especially on headphones. I clearly hear that Yamaha is 5 years old piano and this Kawai is like 1 year old or 1 year old model. I really like the piano, I have to say. The action it's quite heavy and quite slow, much slower than, for example, Yamaha digital pianos. When I play Yamaha digital piano, not Avant-Garde but normal Clavinova series, I feel that it's digital piano, it's electric, it's too fast, because the pivot is quite close to the keys. At this piano the key pivot is quite far in the piano, so I like it. What I like the most is the sound of the piano. It has 3 great piano sounds, 2 concert grand and one short grand, and I have to say I use all of the 3 for practicing for different purposes. What's interesting that the sound, the perception of the brain is always different, so it also differs the touch, even if the action is still the same. I feel that some piano is slightly faster and some piano is slower and bigger, and that's actually amazing. I appreciate at this piano a lot is the organ sounds. I actually recorded some organ Czech liturgy pieces, ordinarias, so you can also listen to that and you can see or you can hear how it sounds. I use this piano mostly with headphones for quiet practicing because I live in a big house and acoustic piano would disturb people. And what I like with this piano is its function SHS, that it changes the sound what you hear in headphones to be more real, more like you are in a room really with the piano. So sometimes I really forget that I'm sitting with digital piano, and if I close my eyes, it's so real. I also like the virtual technician option, all of the options, that I can really tweak the sound and really tweak the touch. I can close the lid, or I can make new tunings and etc. It's a really nice thing. But I'm really happy with the piano, and it hasn't been any issues whatsoever with the piano for 3 months. I'm the owner of this piano. But I'm a little bit suspicious about the quality, not because of this piece, but because of my previous piano, the same model I had. It wasn't so good, and I was so happy that I sent it back to the company and I bought this new. If I will have more issues with the piano or more thoughts about the piano, of course I will post it for you here on YouTube on my channel, and you can subscribe to be alerted. Thank you for watching and have a great day.